Ouch! Shoo you squizzles! Those squizzles keep eating my birdseed. I want to stop the squizzles safely and easily, and I want to do it super cheap. So I found the answers to these following 3 questions. 1. Can hot peppers stop squizzles from eating my birdseed? 2. Can I make my own hot pepper birdseed? And 3. Does the hot pepper hurt birds? The answer to question 1 is, yes, hot pepper is a great way to help stop squizzles from eating your birdseed. Squizzles do not like hot pepper. So, on to question 2. You don't have to pay a lot of money for expensive hot pepper birdseed. You can easily make your own. Here's how. Buy a container of cayenne pepper powder at a discount store for very little money. Then, just shake it on your birdseed and mix it around. Be careful not to get pepper powder in your eyes. It's important to get cayenne pepper powder, and not chili powder or chili flakes. The answer to question 3 is, no, hot pepper powder does not harm birds, because they can't taste it. It doesn't harm squizzles either, they just don't like it. Give it a try, and let me know in the comments if it works for you. I've heard using a little vegetable oil helps the cayenne pepper stick to the seed. And red pepper flakes, or chopped hot peppers can also help. The birds may even eat the pepper flakes, pepper pieces, and seeds. Have fun!
Hi there, I'm Red Max. Thank you for watching my video. I had fun making it, and I hope it was helpful to you. If you found it helpful, please consider liking this video, and also consider subscribing to this channel. There are a variety of Red Max Hacks playlists. I look forward to seeing you again soon.